In this video tutorial, we will show you how to write the word Megumin in Maya writing. Ancient Maya writing uses glyphs, which were symbols, to write syllables. Glyphs are compounded into groups, which are called cartouche. Each cartouche expresses a word. Since we have one word, we will require one cartouche. As you can see, glyphs have to fit to form a square-shaped cartouche. What we will do is to transliterate from English language to Mayan syllabary glyphs based on phonetics. You know, just a fancy way of saying to write the word how it sounds. This is how we can write Megumin in Maya writing. We write from top to bottom, left to right. Top left is the starting point. The bottom is the finish line. The logic behind how glyphs are positioned within each cartouche can be better understood if we write in English alphabet the word, using the exact position for each Mayan glyph. The person who wrote glyphs were called aktsib, or scribe. Each aktsib had a personal calligraphy. We can actually detect and tell an aktsib by their handwriting. So bear in mind this, you don't need to worry to make it perfect. In fact, there were three forms of writing Maya glyphs. The formal ones, which look like those set in stone, more squared and detailed. The handwritten calligraphy style, which is more fluid and organic. And the rushed style, which they used to take notes or quickly jot in an idea. We've shown you the formal version of Maya writing, but here I'm doing my own take, my own version of the rushed style, since it would be more in line with our times, more simplified, minimalist and faster to write, but still understandable. We hope you enjoyed learning about one of the various Mexican and Central American writing systems. If you'd like to have a word or name written in Maya, don't hesitate to comment. Please support us by liking and subscribing.